Academy of the Arts, otherwise known as MA, is now accepting applications for incoming freshmen.
MA is a small charter school within Milwaukie High School where students engage in art-based core classes.
These students also have access to the entire elective catalog of Milwaukie High School students.
MA will be holding a virtual house on Zoom on Tuesday, February 2nd at 5 p.m. and Thursday, February 4th at 7 p.m.
Students and their pupils will learn more about the program and be able to ask questions as well.
The meeting will be a Zoom meeting, so head over to Google Classroom and your grade level hub and look for the code.
For more information, visit the Milwaukie Academy of the Arts website posted below.
So if you're a student who's looking for a smaller school
with arts-based classes as well as access to lots of different electives,
MAA might be the place for you.